Okay, folks, this one's quite a small piece. It's going to be a challenging one. I don't know how this one's going to work, but we'll soon find out and see if we can make it come up a treat. Okay, let's see what this is. It is a puzzle piece with a piece of the Star-Spangled Banner, the American flag. Yeah, folks, I'm one of those people who was born to Australian parents because they were born on Australian soil, and I was born on US soil in Guam, a little island which happens to be a military base for the US, and I consider the America, I call Australia home, right? But I still call America my sister country. So it comes second to Australia, but a very close second. So yes, I'm proud to be a US and Australian dual national. The only thing is I have to carry with me I have to have on me a certificate which says that I was born, that I'm an Australian citizen, a proof of citizenship certificate, because I was born offshore, and I have to have proof that I was born to, I guess, Australian, that's a boat, to Australian parents. So I have to prove that I'm Australian as well as US. So I need that extra piece of documentation to prove that I'm an Australian citizen. So yeah, I'm really proud of my American birthright. I'm really proud of it, folks. Even though I still call Australia home, my home country. I wouldn't be able to live in America because I'm disabled, and I wouldn't be able to. I don't think they have a disability support pension over there. I'm not sure, but basically, yeah, there's no support, not much support from what I know. But basically, yeah, I'd like to go over there for a holiday with my partner Luigi, who I'm trying to get in touch with. I really miss him. I really miss my friend Luigi, and that's come up looking really quite interesting. Star-Spangled Banner, but the US will always be my sister country that I'll want to pay visits to on like holidays and shit. So yeah, I call it my sister country. I don't know if I like this one. I do wonder if I'm going to try another one. But yeah, my sister country, folks. I just put it there in the corner. Yeah, I think that's even better. It looks even nicer, even though I can't see the boat. I don't know which one I like better. I like this one better because it's got the boat. So that was our last one. So we're just going to do another one. Yeah, not quite what I'm after. Looks quite. You can see more of the flag with this one. You can still see the boat. I actually think maybe we might run with that. But yeah, I'd love to go to America. The place I want to see most would have to be New York. New York is top on my list of places I'd like to visit when I go on an American tour not tour, but with a holiday with Luigi, and that would be to go to New York. That would be the bestest place that I could ever go to, folks, to visit. I wouldn't want to live there, but I would love to just go there and spend a lot of time there and on holiday and shit. And maybe go once a year or twice a year and just get into some of the local life that they do there. To sort of be in some ways like a local without actually being a local. If you know what I mean, folks. To make a regular visit and to get to know the place, to visit all the 5 boroughs that are there, including parts of New York that I used to fear, like the Bronx or Harlem. I think Harlem's a borough. I think that's the name of it. I'm gonna move it, make it less. So yeah, I'd like to go check out all the boroughs of New York. Of course, I think Queens would. I think it's called Queen. No, Manhattan would have to be my absolute favourite, from what I have seen. That's the big area. I think that's the big central business section of New York, which is the most interesting because Xerox was, I think, Xerox was in the Xerographic Process. I think was founded in Astoria, which is in Queens, I think. But basically, I really would like to go there, and it would be such an experience to just go to to check out New York and to spend time there every year, maybe at Christmas time. That would be really nice to have a white Christmas in New York, and to go to a restaurant and get all snuggly and cozy in there and look at the snow falling and all the Christmas lights and all that sort of shit. A white Christmas in New York would be a beautiful thing that I'd really like to see. We're dreaming of a white Christmas. Da 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 da. Yeah, I know, that's Michael Bublé sings his version of that. I don't like Michael Bublé much, although there's something Christmassy about him because he is featured a lot in Christmas time. But I'm not a fan of his. He's a bit too old-fashioned. Like, he sounds like stuff from the 20s or the 30s, which is really like rich people's snobbery type music. But I really would like to have a white Christmas in New York. That would be really nice. Check out how the Americans celebrate Christmas. That would be so cool. Yeah, really cool. Temperature-wise, haha. Okay, let's see how we go with this. Anyway, that's come up looking quite interesting. I think we can now call this demo quits.